Okay, so you're going to have questions that look like this on your Fresh Grade this week, where you'll be given the equation and you need to build the array for that equation. So this equation says 2 times 6 equals. So we know that the first number is the number of rows. So we have 2 rows and there are 6 in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can build your arrays at home with anything like buttons or Lego, macaroni, anything, it doesn't matter. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So to solve this, I'm going to check it first. I have 2 rows and there are 6 in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I can tell that this is the same on the second line because everything lines up. And I know that there are 2 rows and 6 columns, so I can count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So if you decide to solve this and build your array using manipulatives at home, you can lay them out like this, and then you can snap a picture and post it to your Fresh Grade. And then underneath, you can write the product, the answer to the equation, which would be 2 times 6 equals 12. So you could just type that underneath your picture. You could type the whole equation with the answer. Now, if you don't want to build with manipulatives and take a picture, you can answer these types of questions right in Fresh Grade, and I'll show you how to do that. So you'll have a picture posted like this, and you will click the comment box. Mine looks a little bit different because this is the teacher Fresh Grade, but I click comment. And you can use anything. You could use X's, you could use your initial, you can use anything you want to build your array. Or if you'd like, you could use emojis. So let's use hearts. So I know that there are 6 in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to make sure that that's what came on my screen. And then go to the next row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've built an array that has 2 rows and 6 in each row. And then I'm going to go underneath and I'm going to write the equation. 2 times 6 equals 12. And then I click post. And it clicks up underneath. And that's how you would answer questions that look like this on your Fresh Grade this week.